friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making an egg omelette using some fresh spinach, some tomatoes and some mushroom. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here, and for all those who are returning, welcome back. Now to see how I make my omelette, stay tuned. So here I have all the ingredients I'm about to use to make this omelette. I have here some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, some mushrooms, some tomatoes, spinach, a knob of butter, some salt and pepper, a tiny splash of milk, and I'm also adding some purple onions. Everything here will be listed down below in the description bar. I'm going to start by adding a pinch of salt and pepper and a tiny splash of milk to the eggs. Use a fork to beat that just until it's a bit light and frothy. I'm going to set that aside while I cook the veggies. Melt a tiny knob of butter to your skillet. Add the onions and saute just until tender. Next I'm going to add the mushrooms and the tomatoes and allow that to cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Next I'm adding a handful of spinach. Saute until the spinach starts to wilt. Season with a tiny pinch of salt and pepper. Once that is done, transfer to a plate. Use a clean tea towel and wipe the skillet and return to the heat. Next I'm adding a handful of spinach. Saute until the spinach starts to wilt. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the veggies are done cooking, transfer to a plate. Use a clean tea towel to wipe the skillet and return to the heat. Heat another knob of butter to the skillet, then add the eggs, making sure to spread it out around the base of the skillet. Allow that to cook on medium to low heat until the egg starts to set. Once the egg sets, add the cooked veggies to 1/2 of the eggs and allow that to cook for a further 20 seconds. Using an egg spatula, gently fold the omelette in half, starting at the side without the filling. Once that is done, gently slide the omelette onto a serving dish and enjoy. I've added some avocado and a serving of fresh fruits. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.